Hi everyone. I'm going to give a demo of how Yadle allows enterprises to quickly and easily find the information they are looking for. Almost every enterprise has the problem of a massive amount of unstructured data stored across the entire organization, and employees are spending way too much time searching for the information they need. Yadle equips its users with a unified search into all of their organization's files and assets. Yadle will discover, index, and analyze files stored anywhere, whether that's on-prem, in the cloud, or a hybrid of both. The Yadle application provides a desktop UI as well as a web interface, so searching for files can be done anywhere with internet access. In this environment we'll be using for the demo, the Yadle File Intelligence platform has already completed its magic of scanning 9 million files representing over 3 petabytes of data and building out the file metadata catalog we will be searching against. Let's dive right in with some example searches. Let's say we need to find a PDF document. We can't remember the file name, but do recall it had an image of a tree on its cover. If we do a search for #PDF #tree and see what Yadle returns. We're given a few results, and you can use the thumbnail previews to confirm that this is the PDF document we were in fact looking for. Now let's say we wanted to see if we can source the original Word document that was used to create this PDF so we can edit it for changes. I'll clear the search, paste in the file name, delete the PDF extension, and add the docx tag to limit results only to Word documents. And there it is. I can click on Open and get right to editing the document in Word. This is possible since Yadle intelligently maps the location of files on user workstations with files in the Yadle catalog. Next, let's say we're looking for photos that were taken specifically using a Nikon D5000 camera. In Yadle, since all metadata is searchable, I can hone in on the photos of interest using the following search: #image Nikon D5000. If I click on the file information icon for any result, I can peek into all of the metadata Yadle has for this file. As I expand the fields, we can see the camera make and model that was matched for our search. How about a 4K resolution video in MOV format of a windy smoke plume? For this search, I'll use the Yadle UI filters, which provide a user-friendly way to narrow down results. I'll choose video for category, 4K resolution, and MOV for the format. Then I'll add smoke, plume, and windy tags to my search. And in less than a few seconds, we have the exact set of files we were looking for. I can scrub through the thumbnails generated by Yadle to decide which version I want to use. To quickly demonstrate the difference between keyword searches and tags, I'll first do a search for just owl. I can see that the results include an image of a ceramic bowl due to owl being part of the word bowl. If we only want files that Yadle has intelligently tagged as owl, we'll change our search to #owl instead. Files scanned by Yadle that reside in the cloud can be opened or downloaded directly from the Yadle app. Here's a file that was scanned on Google Drive. Clicking Browse will open our browser to view the native file on Google. In the examples shown, the scope of our searches have been the entire Yadle catalog. Yadle provides a means to limit the scope of searches, as well as control user search access with what Yadle calls file channels. You can think of file channels as virtual folders. For example, project folders that reside on geographically separated storage systems can be viewed and searched from Yadle as a single file channel. To change the scope of searches by file channels, click the drop-down menu on the left of the search bar and select only the ones you want to include. Here I'll deselect all and only search in the content file channel. I'll do a quick search in this file channel using the keyword brochure. Again, I'll open this document directly from the Yadle application. Now I want to update the brochure with the latest model of wristwatch, so still within the content file channel, I'll search for #watch. Yadle allows me to drag and drop any file from search results directly into applications or folders, closing the loop from searching to using. Yadle also has plugins available for industry-leading applications including the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, Autodesk Maya, and Foundry Nuke. Many professionals who work with these apps prefer to live in their apps, so to speak. The Yadle plugins provide the same powerful search right alongside their application. Recall the windy smoke plume videos we searched for earlier. This time, I want to find and load into Nuke an EXR image sequence version of those videos. I have the same Yadle UI filters available to me in the plugin and will use them to select the image category, checking the sequence box, and choosing EXR as the format. I'll then add smoke, plume, and windy tags as well. In the default Lightbox view, I can scrub over the sequences to quickly preview them and resize the thumbnails dynamically if I want to fit more or less on the panel. Once I determine the smoke plume I want, it's as simple as a drag and drop to load all 1000 frames into Nuke in one swoop. And that concludes the demo. I hope this has been helpful in learning how Yadle helps solve the problem amongst enterprises of being able to quickly and easily find the files and information they need. Thank you.